Kaya, Steven. Oo. Dito na.
Bayad na pala to?
Oo, bayad na. Saan mag-sign?
Sir?
Kailangan mo ng ID?
May ID ka sir?
Oo.
May pag may ID ka sir?
Okay na yan. Thank you so much. Kailan na yung iPhone. Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. I'm here to unbox my iPhone 11. Gosh, so I ordered this one online. So like it's on sale. So ako siya gatangan. Yeah, so basta damage whatsoever dili scam sa Shopee. So mo sa akong ikubaan karon kay okay ba if kung saan yan nasa sods. So let's unbox my iPhone 11. So, by the way, kani siya is equal siya sa J&T Express. So, siya sponsor na. So, ano siya? So, sa J&T Express, actually, it was on the 19th na siya sa Manila because it was shipped through overseas. Na siya sa Manila, 1921. So, it arrived around 2 to 3 days. So, madali lang. Ang dali. Dali ako siya. So this is my iPhone. So I got the purple one. What is this one? There's a freebie. There's an adapter, I think. Okay. So why is it open? So I have the descriptions here. We have the iPhone 11. I got the purple one, and then house Hong Kong version. I got my iPhone 11. So it's purple. It's the new color of iPhone. Isa yung dark jud na purple. Ano siya? Light. So we have the logo. Also here, and in front, and then I have the 64 gigabytes. So yeah, so let's try to open this one. Oh yes, so it's not that tight, but okay. So excited to open this, so I will open. Wow, grabe, ginaan ko siyang color do, promise. So I have the actual na June. So I have the purple. It's very nice. It's the glass type at the back, and then I have the dual camera, one for the ultra wide, and this one is ultra wide, and one is the normal one, the wide angle. So let's remove the plastic. I'll remove it right now because I don't have any casing yet. I think I'm gonna remove. So I have the phone. So let's see what's inside. So I still have this one. This manual designed Apple in California. So you said hello. I have the stickers, the manual. What else? I think that's it. Yung iPhone Pro Max, why I choose iPhone 11 kasi most of the specs are similar, and and then most of the designs, most of the softwares are similar with iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro Max. I just choose this one because I don't need much the third one, which is the telephoto and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I just need this one. I think this is very convenient whatsoever. It's all in one already here. I have the earphones. I have the earphones. I have the this is the adapter. Nasa tulog ka one sa kanan. And then I have the charger. There's a 5 watts charger. Oh my gosh, wala pang in-include yung fast charging. Pero okay lang, wala sila. On our iPhone 11. So iPhone 11 is successor of iPhone 10R. So it has better battery now than iPhone 10R, also as the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yun. Then the designs here, not that the same, but similar. Yung lang is like nasa middle yung purple, tapos dalawa na yung lens. And they have this matte finish. Where's the lens? So it's open. See, they said bonjour. You can see, yeah, bonjour, Chinese. So open this one. So guys, ito. Sorry sa background, so that's my bed and sa ubos kaya ako. So I'm here, so while waiting, let's have a talk. So I work here in Boracay for almost a year and 2 months, I think. So yun, okay lang dito, pero mahal yung pagkain mostly. Pero yung transpo, okay lang. Wala namang, hindi naman masyadong mahal. Tapos nasa walking distance lang naman workplace. Then the good thing is, after work mo or after any, like, if you're stressed or what, you can go to the beach anytime you want, and then muni ka nga to. So, if heartbroken ka, pero dyan ka maantog dali kayo kag nakakay kakuan naradyo kay place nga madtuan kay beach and especially hapon or gabi po okay ra mana if kinahanglan to chill or sa ka madto dol ra kayo in distance mapuy na kayo dito dili kay lakaw ra ka nga may problema tanaw ka sa dagat and then sunset. Huwag nang problema na. So, my iPhone 11 has a 64 gigabytes storage, and then it has 6.1 LCD. Sound ka na itong ang box. Ang label. Music ko na yun. Here. iPhone 11.
Ear pods, Lightning, USB, CA, FM, UMTS. So, power adapter, supports.
Alam mo yung specs din. Ato niya siya ibaligya. Mabaligya pa man eh, sayang. Kainindot ba yan? Reflector. Purple. Violet. Ano sa'yo kalahian sa purple hooks sa violet? I think they're all same. Nasa design siya. Kapag lumapun. iPhone 11 is a very fast smartphone now. It's a budget friendly also, and then it has a A13 Bionic chip inside, which is the smartest chip in all smartphones yet. And then 6.1 screen, OLED I think, then ultra wide angle. We have the wide angle with activate. I think it needs Wi-Fi. Wala naman kong Wi-Fi dito. So, money siya. So, unboxing iPhone 11 says this beautiful purple color. And front, typical design. It's still notch. Don't have any audio jack here. And the wireless charging. It's capable for wireless charging. I will not remove this one kay papaway screen. Yung discuss niya. So, I still have work. Oh my gosh. I still have work. Then ako na siya dalhon. I think ito ko Wi-Fi. Kaya ako i-activate na ito. Kaya hindi siya mo. Here. Okay siya. Face ID. Oh, I think it's Face ID. So let's set up the Face ID. It's done already, so I need to press go for emergency. Next. So set up ko sa Apple ID. Naman eh. Oh, money. Sorry, I use my phone in recordings. My iPhone 6. I use my iPhone 6 in recording, so that's my old phone. Send na sa dira. If once I pass ko ang code para ma-verify siya dito. Kaya ako siya gi-connect through iCloud. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID, alright? A few minutes naman. Sa itaguwatan ito. Like before I get this one, I watched many reviews for iPhone 11 in YouTube. The first color I choose is the green one, the mint. It was nice for me. And then moto, like naato siya sa Shopee. Shopee. Oh, like kulbaan ko kay it's my first time to order big amount online. So kay na I tendency scams or what. To siya like yes, nako, wait, I'll tell you the story later. So it's already welcome iPhone if you cannot see. Yeah. Welcome to iPhone. Welcome to iPhone. So, okay na. Swipe up to get started. So, I have the iPhone 11. Let's try it. So, the new camera. Hello, kung may chances here. So, hello. So this one. Hi, guys. So, in the camera, oh, it's very nice. Shit. I think I will have a review for the photos and videos. Nice kayo. Also in the selfie. It's very nice. Hey. Yeah, I love the camera. That's why I picked this iPhone 11 out of other phones. So let's go back sa itong akong pag-order. So I ordered this one through Shopee. I saw one seller. It's a legit one kasi daghan kayo ng palit, as in more than thousands na may palit sa iyang phone. I scan his profile, his mga products and then reviews for the phones, especially this one, iPhone 11. Yeah, the reviews are very good. Okay kaayo, they give 5-star rating. After atong na-convince ko nga, I think it's a legit one, a legit seller. I decided na if ever na yung mga style or whatsoever, I will buy a new iPhone because my old iPhone is iPhone 6 Plus for 4 years na ang gap. Timing, pagbalik, say kung check every day, nag-flash deal siya. The price of this one is already in the 38,000. 38,000 was not the final price for me. It was a final price for the seller. However, I have a voucher and that is Gadget Zone 8. Gadget Zone 8 is a 8% off for the electronics alone or mga gadgets. So it will have a discount, 8% discount in all gadgets. So I use it and hoping it will work. So it works. So it discounted 8%, around 3,000 discount. So it lowered down again to 35,000. So I think it was a very good price and then a very good catch also. So pag order na ko sa green, wa siya rin go through kay out of stock na. So oh my gosh, like, so I jump into another color. So what will be the second color that I love? So I love this one also, the purple, because it's a new color in iPhone. So mo to, like, I decided that I decided na purple na lang kay as daga nag-atang sa sale. So after that, nag-order na, and then it go through, and then so I still continue, and then I have the payment method. I withdraw, I went to Sa ko bayad. No, I'll be say remittance. Yeah. Hindi siya remittance, padala. So mo to, and then after that, I chat the seller. Everything was fine. Right now, I got it. So January 13 ko siya i-order. Napot siya karon January 22. So it's very fast from overseas to here. Ako kasi is like, I love to take photos, to take videos, to edit. So sorry guys, na-off siya. Okay, I check the time, it's already 12, and then I guess 12:30, and then napakoy duty. Napakoy duty niya. So I think that's it, and then I will continue this one. I will have a review for my iPhone 11, the specs and everything, the photos, the videos and everything, the softwares. I'll have a review later. Kay dali ko kay na ko'y duty. I need to get ready. So I'll continue this one. So that's it. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.